This is VIVO Y22S, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls on this device. So to begin with, I want to note that in order to use the method that will be shown today, you have to know the password to the child's Google account, otherwise unfortunately this way will not work for you. So with this out of the way, launch settings, enter Google category. In here, let me quickly show that my parental controls are indeed active. As you can see, they absolutely are. So from here, tap on the Manage Your Google Account button. Then open Data in Privacy page. Scroll it all the way down. Tap on the Delete Your Google Account option. Do not be afraid, we will restore Google account right after parental controls will be disabled. So in here, enter the password to the child's Google account, then click on Next button. The following page, you need to scroll it all the way down, check those two boxes, and tap on the Delete Account button. From here, you can get two types of messages, either something went wrong, or the message that will confirm that the account deletion was successful. Both are fine. So from here, basically the parental controls were already deactivated. Let me quickly confirm it to you. So as you can see, there is no account currently linked to the device, and parental controls are indeed disabled. So from here, all that's left to do is to recover a Google account that you can simply do by using it to log into the Play Store. So let me do exactly that. I will firstly enter the email address. That's the message that you should get in order to understand that you are on the right track, that says this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Then enter the password to proceed with the sign-in process. Usually you'll get the something went wrong message. That is completely fine. Pretty much at this stage the account was restored. In order to confirm it to you, let me re-enter my credentials and actually sign in to the Play Store. So here is my email address. Let me quickly enter the password. Then click on Next. I agree. Accept. And as you can see, the account is alive and well. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.